Brian and Karen at Fraser Castle in Aberdeenshire.
It's a lovely day, as you can tell.
Lovely Scottish day. It's pouring down rain. It could be worse, could be a hurricane, but it's not. Just rain, grey clouds. And we're going to go in, take a look at Castle Fraser. So why don't y'all come along.
One of the first things we come across is this marvelous garden area. There's the castle over there. The earliest parts of the castle date from 1575. The place was modernized in the late 1700s, and over the centuries has been changed and renovated numerous times. Here's a sundial, which is out of order today. Wow, take a look at that. As you enter through the arch, you come into this courtyard. It is a very impressive home. Let's head up to the reception area. The painting over the fireplace is General Alexander Mackenzie Fraser. This is the parlor area. This is Major Smiley's room. An old camera obscura used as an aid in drawing portraits. An early flush toilet. This place has all the luxuries. The kitchen. We have found our way up to a sort of widow's walk or observation deck on top of the castle. You can see just how low and murky the weather is today.
Was a minor disaster inside Fraser Castle. No video allowed, so I do have some stills. They said take all the stills that you want, so I did get some still video or some still photography inside. But look at that place, grand. Well, so ends our visit to Fraser Castle. We did get a bite in the castle coffee shop. Cheese scone. Both of us had the cheese scone. So on the sconeometer, Karen, what was it for you?
I would say it was about a 5. The flavor was good, but it was very dry.
Yeah, I was going to give it a 6, 6.5. A little bit crumbly. Very good flavor. Cafe mocha, excellent. That's going to be an 8. How about your coffee?
The cappuccino was about a 6.
6, okay. So there you have it for Castle Fraser Cafe.
Despite the poor weather, we had a great time exploring this fantastic old castle. Remember, life is a journey. Enjoy the ride, and thanks for watching.